Hello guys, today I'm proud to present to you my new online course on Laravel Daily, and this is an interesting experiment. This is my first text-based course. So course not in a video but in a text form. In general, in 2023, I thought to myself that I need to create more text form content just for it to be searchable and just easier to read. Because even for myself, often I've been Googling something, then stumbling on my first result in the Google search result, and this is a video. And I just need a quick answer. Not to watch a video even if it's 5 minutes long. So starting from January, I'm doubling down on premium tutorials on Laravel Daily in text form, and today I'm presenting the new text form course, and this is about deploying to AWS. For quite a long time, it's been one of the most demanded topics in your comments or emails, deploying to server and specifically AWS, because, as my research shows as well, a lot of job descriptions for Laravel developers include AWS as a requirement. And the ecosystem is huge, AWS, with a lot of tools, but you need to start somewhere, right? So the course is about how to deploy a simple Laravel project to AWS, specifically to EC2 instances, step by step in text format in, as you can see, 8,000 words in total. So total amount is not even in time, it's just in words, split to 7 lessons. And that's another thing about text-based courses. So instead of writing a very long one tutorial, I've divided that into chapters as a course for convenience. You can get this course as part of the subscription to Laravel Daily.com yearly or monthly. And I'm not sure if you've seen the tweet or YouTube post that currently have a promotion, so you can have 40% off the first year on the yearly membership with discount code resolution23, because it's time for New Year's resolutions, right? So today is Wednesday when the video is out, and there's only one more day to get that discount. And one of those courses will be about AWS, and let's quickly run through the first lesson so you would see what to expect. This is a step-by-step text-based course with a lot of screenshots, with specific terminal commands if needed, highlighting the important parts. So you need to launch the EC2 instance of the server, but there are a lot of settings inside of that window and what to choose and why. This is all in this lesson. And generally, this lesson can be rephrased as Linux server management preparing the server for Laravel project. It doesn't necessarily have to be EC2. EC2 is just an example how it works on AWS ecosystem. But generally, what you need to do if you're preparing your server manually without the tools like Laravel Forge, this is basically the list. Create the server instance, then you need to connect to it via SSH, then you need to take care of updates of the Linux operating system, then you need to install the web server, Nginx in our case. It could be Apache, but in this case it's Nginx. Then install PHP, then install the database, and only then you can install Laravel. Along the way, there are more tools like Composer and others, so you can see that inside of this course. So if you're interested in that, the link to the course will be in the description below. And if you have any questions about that course, comment on the lesson and I'll reply there. You can, of course, comment here on YouTube as well. This is kind of the first dive into the AWS ecosystem for me in terms of content. I'm kind of testing the waters, whether my audience is interested in AWS ecosystem. If I see the demand here, stronger demand, I would dive deeper into separate, more advanced topics around AWS ecosystem. That's it for this time, and see you guys in other videos.